Why you getting a bus? You have 2 vehicles right here. Niggas are going to work. They both hot. I'm about to take the safe around.
Alright, I don't know what they talking about, but look. Alright, so right now we at Grimaldi's, right? We at this spot called Grimaldi's of Brooklyn, a cold brick oven pizza spot. So we tried to go to some other spot that didn't pan out, right? So we at Grimaldi's.
I'm not happy now. I was piece of steak. This piece of steak.
Or Fripp, they saying that the pizza smells like ass. They not fucking with the pizza. Can we get the reveal? Hold on, we need some light. Come on, can I get some flashlights? Shit. Nah, it ain't doing nothing. Uh-oh, hold on. Reveal it.
It's got some nice celery. That shit look nasty. Look at that shit.
There we go.
That shit look nasty.
Alright, so this is not your traditional slice.
My fault, Kenn.
Go ahead.
I thought there was only 4 slices in it. Yes. No, there's not. There's clearly not. I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you count this in 5? How did he get 5 out of it?
So look, this is it's not the traditional. It's a margarita.
It's disgusting.
That's not. I don't know what Brooklyn, Italy now.
I don't know what's going on with that, dude. That shit was wacky.
Wacky slush.
All right, look. So I'm gonna get this piece right here. Although I want that one, but I'm gonna grab this one right here. Help me. Help me. Help me.
Before we was wondering about this facts. Go ahead. No, she's in the background.
Wait. She cute?
She was.
Why you ain't tell her I was in? I'm in the city. Come on, bodyguards. How much was this?
$14.50.
$14.50. So wait. Raised for a medium was $20. $20.08. So let's see. Look. Always first.
He was first. That's wrong. Yes, he was. Yes, he was.
What the fuck is going on? Look, all right.
Bro, come on, hurry. Biting this before him is
I don't know.
It's actually pretty good. I'm mad. It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
It's good.
It's better than the first. It's better than the first one.
Better than the first?
3.5. I'll give this a solid. I give it a 3. I said 3.3 for the first one. I do 3.6. I'm giving this a solid 3. Let's see the fact that it's on cheese. It tastes better though. That's why I put it up.
For me, look, let me tell you something. What was that dish you was doing? I'm gonna give this a solid. I gotta give it higher than the last spot. I'm gonna give it a 3.9. I gave the last one a 3.8.
I give last. If I give last one 3.8. If you go, you get 3.5.
Flashback.
I gave it a 3.5. I gave it a 3.5.
Based on that.
3.7 then.
To me, lower than the other place. I'd rather go there and get the slice. Only because, like I said, it tastes better. Yeah, the sauce is good.
Sauce went crazy. You got umbrellas? It's not raining. You need umbrellas when it's raining though. Listen, listen, I ain't script that. He just popped up. I think he dropped out the sky. Somebody put a cheat code in for that. Guys, let's put it like that. We're going to one more spot, maybe 2. Hold on, got a little hot. But look, all right. So this is Grimaldi's. This is what it look like on the outside. I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah. Shut up, boy. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. All right.